So, hi guys. I decided to show you my makeshift little glam corner. And this is it. I'm gonna zoom out a bit for you guys. Don't mind my robe. So, we zoom in. Oh, this was like really cheap. Because, I'm a little bit on the cheap side. Now, this table here was supposed to have extra shelves on it, but the company who sent it to me didn't send me all the pieces, so when we put it together, I was like on a just make it work type of thing. And the chair, not too sure, but I'm just guessing it's probably like an old computer chair we had laying around. These pillows is from an old couch I have, all this badunkadunk I have. But getting into it, because there's some here, and then we gotta go right here to my stand. So over here I got these cute little beauty blender holders. Aren't they adorable? Check them out. And I was looking for some on Amazon. They had them for $20, but I got it on Mercari for like $9. So right here, this little tin like cup is where I keep like all my lip like glosses. Everything with a stick. Anything with a stick goes in here. And right now, this kind of been my favorite. And I don't recall where I got it from, or even there's no real color in here, but it's been my favorite because I've been keeping my face very nude lately. So then let's see what we got here. Some hydrating face primer. I only use it twice, but I love it. I would recommend it. This is my lash case, and then we just put this to the edge and pull this out a bit. And here I have a bunch of different little lashes in here. So I do love lashes. I'm just now starting to get into the point where like I stack them, because I'm used to like wearing one pair. One pair is good for me, but now I'm like one and then half. Anyway, this little black thing, I got this here, this little bin. I got this from Mercari as well. She was asking for like 15. I talked it down to about like 9. But yeah, it's cute. Got pink little these. I was trying to have a theme here, but it's like beautifully chaotic like myself. So the white brushes are all new. I just got them for Elf. And then the miscellaneous ones are brushes that I already have, but they're kind of like my favorites. And I use them a lot. So I'll put them over here. And over here are like my, what's this over here? This is a palette. These are like my bigger, very much used palettes over here. I have like a, what would you call this, an eyelash curler. I have some face mask in here. These are like my bigger ones. I don't necessarily use the ones in here very often, because I'm not really like an eyeshadow girl, but yeah. Now in here we have some, what's this? Foundation sticks. This is what I've been on lately in the color almond. And then in here are my travel brushes, which I will be doing my favorites video. So you probably see this in my favorites video, so I'm not going to talk about it now. And then we have some things I moisturize my face before I put my primer on. And then we have my little light mirror. Cute, right? My man got it for me. Now over here, we have, this is from prom. But we have some makeup wipes over here. These are from Kiss, to be exact. And then this, which I thought was so cute. She's a little dirty, but this is actually a lash case, but it only holds one pair. So it's kind of like, oh, your traveling lash case. This right here, I'm not gonna pull it out. No, I'm not gonna pull it out. I was thinking about it. Is what is this? This is my it cleans my brushes. Let me just brush cleaner. My Bobby. Now this here, this cup here is for like my tube, like glossy, and then I have like one struggling lip pencil. This is over here because it won't fit over there, but I don't really use this. And over here is like my matte stuff. Yeah. Then I have this little cute little wine glass. Trying to be cute. I just put this up here last night because I didn't realize how many I have of these. I was like, my God, here I am struggling with this. And then I even broke out this, which is like it's a pomade or a jam or whatever for the eyebrows. And I don't even like it. I like pencil. And when I went to go clean out my drawer, I was like, wow, I have a lot. So these are my eyebrow pencils. Most of them are in espresso, deep chocolate, auburn, or yeah, so we'll keep it there. So I'm going to move this over. So I was trying to give it a rustic, like, cute theme. By the way, the table is from Amazon. Macari, the light, which is so cute. Okay. Filming, trying to hold this and use one hand. Okay, so you see the light? This is the brightest it goes. And I got this off of Amazon. It's so cute. Now here we have like a little drawer. And then we have this little stuff over here. Now, going to the bottom drawer, which is struggling, I have two color correctors down here, which I don't really use. So if I ever do another giveaway, I think I might put these up, maybe, for another giveaway. I don't know, because I don't use them. But I do use these. Don't judge me, LA Colors. But I love this. And this is in CMP 309 Sand. This is a pressed powder. That's all that's down there. And I have this one, but I don't really use it. But, okay, so then we have this. This is actually a highlighter, but I have it in there. Everything else is eyeshadow. And I just ordered a Z palette so I could put all these in there. And then I have more space in my drawers. Now videos. What is this? I don't have like no real order. You have like some mascaras, lash glues, eyelash glue. That's pretty much what this drawer is like. Mini mascaras, lash glues, and this here is a hook it up powder, but I love it. I usually use this on the top lid. And these are like little, this is a contour palette and this is for eyebrow, which I should probably throw this away because I doubt it's any good. Now up here, this here is another translucent powder. I don't use it. I think one of my girlfriends gave it to me. And then we have I guess call it what, a setting powder right there, and I have another one right here, which actually I like this one so much more than like that one. But this one is so hard to come out. Like they got tiny holes and you gotta dab it. It's like so hard to come out. Legit. Then I have this, and this drawer is from Amazon. And so is this little case right here. It's from Amazon as well. I love Amazon. So I just have a few little palettes in here. This one is the Naked Cosmetic one. There. I like it, but then I don't like it. I feel I'm of a color. So, and then I got this, but I haven't used it yet. And they're all pretty new. Most of these palettes I just got within, and don't mind my nails, I gotta get them done. And then I just got this, which was actually a free gift when what did I get? When I purchased one of these palettes, I got the free gift. So, yeah, that's, like, pretty much it for over here. I try to keep, like, a few things. Like, you can see I have, like, some mascara down here. I have a eyeliner down here. Try to keep a few things over here. So when I do, like, my quick makeup, I have things over here. Because I hate having to, like, to get up and run to where I'm about to take you next. Alrighty, so over here is where it began, and then it grew over there. So over here, this little plastic container, also came from Amazon. It was actually on a bigger one over there. These are all my foundations, my other foundations that I use and don't use. These here are some, I don't even know why I have some of these here, because some of these lipsticks I don't like. Like, I like this one. I like this MAC one, but I only really wear in the summertime. I love this one. I love this one. This from Smashbox. But everything else I don't like. Oh, you see this? Scorpio. But comment below, like, what is your favorite foundations? And what is your favorite lipsticks? And then I have a few setting sprays. This one's from e.l.f. and this one's from NYX. And then we have another one right here from e.l.f. This is Urban Decay. And then this is Wet n Wild. And I actually like these two. I actually like this one, the matte finish, better than natural finish. Though I use natural finish all the time. These little things up here, this is from Tarte. They're like makeup cleansers. These are like finishers, Smashbox. Then here, so I have this is my big makeup, and I have other little makeups inside. And here I have like chapsticks and lipsticks and lipstick little palettes on there. These are the lost brushes, as I call them, like the brushes I really don't use anymore. Down here we have some mini blenders and some wedges. And then we have like little knickknacks, like little lotions I got from hotels and things of that nature. Mascara. I actually really love this. This is, zoom out, Lash Glue from Arendelle. But it's clear. It comes on clear. I love it better than the black, and I love it better than the white one. And then these are my concealers. Okay. And my favorite concealer is really this one. This is my favorite. And it's in the color Sound. That's my favorite. And after that, then this one will be considered my favorite. I got this one from iKateHouse.com. And this one is in coffee. You can see it is well loved, honey. But yeah, my little concealer jar. And this little small one, you see it's tiny. really tiny. This one I got from Macari, thinking that it was a big one, and it was a little one, so then I had to order a big one. Anyway, here I have like my glitter shadows and lip scrubs, like smaller little eyeshadow palettes. Told you I'm not really big on eyeshadow, but yeah. So in here, if it opens, don't mind this. I should have took this out before I started doing this. Okay. So in here, I used to use this to moisturize my face. Got sharpeners, chapstick, color correctors, which I don't even use these. This is like under eye cream, which is really good. I use this at night, and you could tell, like, you could look because the bottle's pretty see-through. It's practically gone. This back here is a foundation, but I don't like it, so it stays in there. Oh my goodness, I should have really cleaned this out because, like, I'm seeing things in here that. And look, another eyebrow pencil. And here, and you know what was funny? Like, there's no order. This is like the land of the lost in the hair. This was like my very first eyeshadow, like palette. I gotten it from Dollar Tree, and now you see I'm using like Too Faced and Kylie's. And then I just used this a few weeks ago, and I actually really love it. I went to e.l.f. in Times Square, and I spent over $25, so I got like a little pouch full of miniature free things, and this was one of them in there, and I love this. I actually really like this shade right here at the top. It's a neutral bake shadow. And I have another bake shadow, but I don't really use it. And this is only over here because I got more makeup and more organizers coming, and once I figure it out, I'm sure this won't be over here anymore. This is my blush. You can tell this is well loved. This was from the beginning when I first got into makeup. Touch of Pink is my favorite. My niece always be like, can I play in it? And I'm like, no. And then this one now. This is my new favorite. And don't know what the color is, but yeah. This is just my my blush drawer. Listen, spectacular. I feel like I should have organized this stuff much better before I decided to come over here and start showing you guys stuff. Okay, so I'm going to have to put that somewhere else. Here's another drawer. Wow, I had a giveaway. I could have gave this away in my giveaway, because I don't use this. Well, it's not time because I never shipped off their stuff. These are like, I guess, like my bronzers and highlighters. Let me show you if I can find it. I think this is it here. Yeah. How well loved is this? Well loved. Then this little mess is eyeliners. They're all eyeliners. Just like different colors and stuff, but they're all eyeliners. Well, the pencil or liquid liners. And I'll blow some blenders. These I got from IK House. Again, ikhouse.com. Little hair ties. And then some more makeup wipes. And just a traveling mirror. And that, I think, my friends, is it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really like it, share it. And as always, comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, be good to thyself. Okay.